Today I'm with Amazon Fire TV Stick and I'll show you how you can cast your Android smartphone screen to this device. So at the first we have to enter for the settings. You can find it on the right side. It's right here. So just enter and then select display and the sounds. You have to remember that you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi network. Next you have to select enable display mirroring. So click OK on your remote control. And in front of you, we got the name of our device. It's Fire TV Stick. So right now we have to grab our Android phone and open screencast feature. In my case, and probably in the most Android smartphones, you will find it by opening this notification panel. And then the screencast icon appears right here. You can also find it here or here by tapping on it. Any icon, it will be probably on this additional icon list. So you can click, hold, drag and put it here, and after that just go back and you will get your screencast icon. So if you got it, just tap on it once. Next you have to select your Fire TV Stick. Then right now we can just take a look on your TV. As you can see, right now we are successfully connected and everything is fine. It's working. And if you want to turn off this screencasting, just open this screencast option here, tap and select disconnect. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.